Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. So the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. This is the product to promote, guys. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday. So we're just gonna refresh the page to make sure you guys understand. I'm not trying to trick you with any numbers here. Boom. Right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. So we're gonna just roll on to trying to get it, guys. But anyway, the first thing you need to do when it comes to promoting this product, guys, you gotta get your right. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get your link, but first and foremost, I'm gonna show you the link that I use in particular. I like to use this link here. Now you guys can use any link that you want, but this is the one. All right, guys. So anyway, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to the link in my description, guys. It's gonna be two links. One's gonna say, it's gonna be step one, step two. One gonna say income.com. It's gonna take you to a page or something like this. This is basically the sales letter of the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, right? And it's essentially the $25 business is essentially a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder. It's actually a really good one for $25 per month, which is a fantastic deal. But that's not why we're here. We're here because it's affiliate program. This affiliate program is fantastic and the best I ever seen in my life. And you can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions on each sale, guys. That means one person can make 100 commissions, make $1,200 commission. They stay in for a year. Like, it's just fantastic. All right, so what we're going to do, you can just look over this and decide, hey, I want to try this out or not, and go and click on yes, I want it. Right, click on that. You put in your basic information, blah blah blah, sign in, boom. All right, and then there's videos explaining how to get your link. All right, it's if you signed in before, you kind of get it, but if you need help, there's videos for everything. There's videos for essentially everything in this. I want to make sure I clarify that. And one thing I want to show you guys, if you use my link, guys, is that you can get HBA Premium. This is another product for free for 2 weeks. And what this essentially is like training on how to promote products on different websites that is constantly updated because they keep changing rules and kind of showing you what's acceptable, what's not, so on and so forth. Especially like TikTok don't change their rules a ton of times, and certain things don't work that used to work like last year and stuff like that. So yeah, and they also have an AI content creation machine that'll help you come up with content, for posts on Instagram or whatever, right? Or articles or whatever it is you want to do. And the coolest thing about this is that why I say this is the absolute best affiliate program is because of this. The coolest thing about this is that you get this free for 2 weeks. If you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep the $100 even though you haven't paid for the product yet. Fantastic. That's why I say this is the absolute best affiliate program, period, guys. It's just don't get better than this. There's no reason to use anything else. All right, so guys, that's all there is to that. Now the thing I want to show you guys is, got your links, now you need a way to promote them. And what I'm going to show you is the absolute easiest, simplest, brain dead way to promote this product, right, guys? So you're going to click on my second link. It's going to take you to My Lead Gen Secret. So we're gonna members log in, blah blah blah, right? Yeah, log in, like that, and we're just gonna pick our next email to send them. Now, what My Lead Gen Secrets is that you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. Now we're just gonna come in here, we're gonna pick all our leads like this, and we're just gonna select our next. These are emails that ChatGPT have written for me. I have not written these emails. ChatGPT written them for me, so I didn't even write the email. Most of them anyway. Just gonna go see. It says the 450, right? So we're just gonna go to the next email right here. I think it's very clear, abundantly clear. to the email. And so got one. ChatGPT here. What you want to do is hit perfect timing. This is the email we're sending. All right. Um, ChatGPT wrote this email. I just kind of flavored it up a little bit with isolates, bolder, underlining and stuff like that, right? And this is the preview to the email here. Now we do this for two reasons. The first and most important reason is that we are doing the preview to make sure our link works. If our link doesn't work, you can't make money. You can't make any money. All right. Link doesn't work, you don't make money. That's just how it works. Okay, guys. It's just how this works. All right. And so you have to check and make sure your link. So the second reason is to just give you guys a chance to copy the if you're interested. ChatGPT wrote this email. I'm giving y'all a chance to copy it because I got the video paused. You can see the whole email. One thing about these emails that I like, the shorter emails tend to work a little better than the longer email. All right, so like a shorter email like this or even shorter than this tend to do better. All right, guys. So that's all there is to that. And yeah, check out the email and then you just send the email. Done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, and very quick, guys. And this adds up over time. You do this every day, it adds up and start making money and stuff. I kind of stopped for a minute, that's why I haven't had any sales, but recently in the case the last week or so I haven't really posted it doing this. I've been busy with some personal things, but I'm getting back into it, guys. You know, if I make a video, I did it. If I don't make a video, I didn't do it. That's just how it works. So if I've been making videos every day, I'm doing them. I make a video every time I do it because it's just that simple to do. As you can see, guys, it only took about 5-6 minutes. It only took that long because I'm explaining it to you how to do it. Now, if it was just me on my own, all I have to really do is come here, pick an email, send it. 30 seconds max. All right. It's just that simple, and you make money, guys. It's just fantastic. So anyway, guys, that's all they is. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.